Hi guys, my name is Andre. I'm an e-commerce expert from South Africa with more than 3 million rands worth of sales the last 3 years over various e-commerce platforms. I've decided to help you guys on this platform to generate you a Shopify e-commerce store completely free within only a minute or two. Not only will you get a great high converting store from us, you will also get resources that I've handpicked and written myself to help you build your store and get it to that next level. This will be videos like how to manage your store, how to run TikTok ads, how to run Facebook and Instagram ads, and how to go viral on TikTok. Luckily, I'm a Shopify partner, which means for the first month, you only have to pay $1 for your Shopify subscription, which means you have a whole month to test out if this business is something for you, using all the resources that we've given you, all the resources that will be out there in the world, and at this low barrier of entry, at this affordable price with this great store, you almost have no excuse to actually get started and to see if this is a business model that you want to use to build extra wealth for yourself. So I'm not gonna bore you guys any longer. Go to the next step and build your store and see what it's about, and check out all the resources that we will send you to help you get your store to that next level and make a success from this.